Today I am discussing about the theory of sedimentation. Sedimentation definition. Everyone knows that the sedimentation is created in the suspension. So suspension of sedimentation is very important. So first of all, what do you mean sedimentation? Sedimentation is a physical water treatment process using gravity to remove suspended solid particles from the water, and solid particles entrapped by the turbulence of moving water may be removed to nature by sedimentation in the still water of lakes. Sedimentation is the act of depositing sediment. Sedimentation is the tendency for the particles in suspension to settle out of the fluid in which they are entrained and come to rest against a barrier. This is due to their motion through the fluid in response to the force acting on them. These forces can be due to gravity, centrifugal force and electromagnetism force. So this is the diagram of the sedimentation. This part is a particle suspended first. First one is, this is the particle suspended which is suspended into the suspended water, and this part is a precipitation or the sedimentation part. When these particles, this here the particles are moves freely or separately, but here the particles, all solid particles are settled down, and here the layer is created, that is called the sedimentation. Already you know that the suspension, flocculated and deflocculated suspension, mainly deflocculated suspension, the sedimentation rate and sedimentation volume is low, but flocculated suspension, the sedimentation rate and sedimentation volume is high, because in the flocculated suspension the particles settle down is very quick, but in the deflocculation suspension the particles are freely moved. Colloidal particles are moved very freely, separately, individually, so they are settled down very slowly. Okay, and after the settle down, the one type of cake, that is called sedimentation cake, is created for the deflocculation suspension. Okay, so this is the main theory or definition of the sedimentation. And next, decantation liquids. What do you mean decantation liquids? We can use decantation to separate two liquids with the different density, such as oil and water. After sedimentation, when we separated, the one part of liquid is filtered or separated from the sedimentation part, that is called decantation liquid. And decantation of sediment means we can also separate a liquid from heavy sediments, that means example the stones and water. This is the mechanism of the sedimentation.